Oop, naagaw. Behind the back dribble. Oops, sumayaw. Behind the back again. Uy, what a pass, basket and one! And here's Team Calabarzon. 90 seconds remaining for the lead! Hello mga idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa palarong pambansa 2024 para sa laban ng Region 4A Calabarzon versus Region 6. And here you go, jump ball. 34 versus 26 and ball possession for Calabarzon Region 4. Number 22 here. Bounce pass. Picks. Pass inside. Kaldag. Reverse layup. Bucket for 2. First blood. And here's Region 6. Drives. Kicks on the corner. Attacks. Floater shot. No good. And here's Calabarzon. Oops. Diretso si Idol. Binitbit lays. Easy bucket. Drives, tuloy, lays. Ooh, coach to coach shot. For the inbound, holding the ball here. Pass it there. Pass to the corner. Attacks, pass inside. Face to face, Potter, pasok. Number 13 here for Team Calabarzon. Corner pass, launches 3. Off the mark. Rebound steal, long 3. Bang! 3 points. Fast break. Binitbit. Fades. No good. Na-rebound ngayon ng Western Visayas Region 6. Pinegos. Binitbit. Lays. Bucket for 2. And ginugulo. Natapikan. Naagawan. Na-recover. Nag-dive. And dive also. Saves the ball. Sakuragi and fires for 3. No good. And here you go, Team Calabarzon. Pass it there, picks. Kaldag, picks. Pass to the corner. Setting the play, pass inside. Kicks out, launches 3. Bang! 3 points. Oops. Drives, stops, crosses, picks, drives, lays. Ooh! What a lace. Good for 2. And here's Team Calabarzon. Drives, lays up. Face to face din. Bumawi. And here's Team Region 6 Western Visayas. Stops, launches 3. Off the target. Number 13 here. Number 22. At sa gitna. Bounce pass, ang gandang pick and roll. Yes, sir. And here you go. Floater shot off the glass. And bucket for 2. Nagmamadali si Idol. Sidestep, no look pass. Picks. Reverse layup. Bucket for 2. And here's Team Region 4A Calabarzon. Launches on 3 on the corner. Bang! 3 points. Sa gitna, Loxin. Di diskarte ng malupit. Screens. Kicks on the corner. Launches 3. Bang! The nets. Oop, naagaw. Behind the back dribble. Oops, sumayaw. Behind the back again. Uy! What a pass! Basket and one! And here's Team Region 4A. Straight. Boom! Butata! For the inbound here. Region 4A. At the middle. Fakes. Drives. Oop! Basket and one! Binangga. Discarding malupit. Sa gitna. Team 4A Calabarzon number 10. Bounce pass, ang gandang pick and roll. Uy! Yun lang. Hindi napasok. And here's Loxin. Uy! Uy! Wala na naman. Kinaliwa. Easy bucket. Loxin. Spins. Natapikan sa likod. Na-recover. Cross off. Oop! Kicks on the corner. Launches 3. Bang! Kinompleto at the buzzer. Nagmamadali si Idol na libre. Easy bucket. Backdoor inbound here. Libre sa 3. Bang! Bullseye. Ay, 2 points pala. 2 points. Team Region 4A. Bounce pass. So palpal. Side step. Oops. No good. Natapikan sa likod. Pass break. 2 versus 1. Oy! For the inbound here. Attacks. Picks. Kicks out. Launches 3. No good. Rebound locks in. Picks. Drives. Spin. Pull up J. Smooth move. Locks in. Spins. Kipugad ang lupit. Locks in. Spins. Middle shot. Pasok yan. And a chance to lead the game for team. Uy! Dumila pa! And here's Region 6 now. Stop, pull up, J at 3. Bang! Bullseye! Pass to number 1. Attacks. Pull up, J long 2. Bucket for 2. Crosses the mid lane. Passes to the corner. Stops. Sa 3. Bang! Another 3. Natapikan. Here's Region 6. Soup. Lays. Bucket for 2. For Team Calabarzon. Nakalusot. Kicks on the corner. Picks. 1 bounce. Pull up J. Perimeter shot. Bucket for 2. And here you go again for Team Western Visayas Region 6. Picks. Cross pass. To the middle. Libreng open 3. Bang! Another 3. For the inbound. To the corner. To Loxin. Cabrales again. Wild open sa 3 ulit. Bang! Again! 3 back to back 3. And Loxin. Crossover drives. Pasang gandang finish. And now here's Team Region 4A Calabarzon. Attacks. Pull up J. Bucket for 2. Loxin. Behind the back 3 ball. Drives. Loxin. Oops. Tinapik. The pass. Lays. Bucket for 2. Pass break. Nakalusot. Nice pass. Deliver and the finish. Recovered. Pass to Loxin. Corner. Launches 3. Bang! 3 points. For the inbound here. Looking for the receiver. Corner. Pass inside for the big man. Pinilit. No good. Pass break ngayon. Paung gandang deliver. Lays. Si Bucket. Kicks out, picks, drives, spin, sa corner, ang matake, scoop layup, bucket for 2. For the inbound here, at the corner. Attacks, pass inside, reverse layup, bucket is good. He's slowly moving down here for Team Region 4A. Attacks, lays off the glass, bucket for 2. And here you go, Team. Oops, pass inside. Kicks out, supalpal. Backdoor inbound here. Crossover. Pass inside, supalpal ulit. Pass break ngayon. Side step, kinaliwa, no good, rebound by the big man. Oh, naagaw pass break ngayon. All alone. Easy bucket. Kicks out. Wild open sa tres. Off the target. The rebound. Para pass break na naman. And all alone. Easy basket. No good. Battle for rebound here. Locks in. Pass break. And ang gandang deliver. And off the bucket. Off the glass. At the middle. Binalik. Stop. Pass inside. Off the glass. Yes, sir.
2 points.
Nakalusot. Rail. Yes, sir.
15.
Region 4 is Alabarto. Pass inside. Pass off the glass. Basket and one. Number 1. Corner 3. Boom! Bullseye! Take 2. Bucket for 2. Process the mid-lane. Stop. Pass inside. Pinas sa corner. Tumira sa corner. Bucket! And 3 minutes left on the
15 shot clock. Time to shoot.
second shoot. Side step. Pinabiting. Bounce pass. And here's Loxin holding the ball. Behind the back 3 ball. Crossover. Ooh! Ooh! Yun lang! Pass inside. Dunk! Ooh!
Time to shoot.
Wide open for 3. Bang! 3! Loxin. Loxin. Di diskarte. Stop kicks out. Picks. Stop. Pass to Loxin. Lace. Easy nausaw. For the inbound here. Stop. Pull up J. No good. Rebound picks. Reverse layup. Ooh, create space. Money. Region 4 1A. Region 4A. Drives between the legs. Dribble. Stop. Pull up J. Fade away. Basket and one. Kobe. For the inbound here. Pass to Loxin. Loxin drives. Stays. Oh, ginanan. Bucket. And the last throw. Bucket pa rin. And spins. Loxin. Create space. Dumidistansya. Cross pass. And to the middle. Pass. Ang gandang pass. No basket. 2 free throw. For the inbound. Bounce pass. Uy! Backdoor play. Bucket for 2. Oops. Spins. Pass to number 13. Drives. Lays. Too high. No good. Loxin. Loxin. Pumagit na. Binitbit. Ang gandang pasa. Ooh! No good. Pass break. All alone for the tie. Reverse tie-up. Tie the game. Tie game tayo mga idol. Oops. Behind the back. Step back for 3. Off target. Rebound. And here's Team Calabarzon. 3 minutes 90 seconds remaining for the lead. Napapa-time out dito ang Team Region 6 Western Visayas. Loxin, ginagor dyan ng malaki. Dire-diretso, binayadin. Wala. And here you go. A chance to add the lead. Number 6 to the middle. Pass inside for the big man. Kinaldagan ni Spins. Natapikan. Nakalusot. Beats. Stops. Pass to Loxin. Loxin here. Natapikan sa likod. Pass break. 2 versus 1. Pinasa. Foul. Pumasok yung first shot. The second shot again for 1 point. For the inbound here, Locsin. Between the legs, behind the back. Yun. Attacks. Kicks out. Wild open for 3. Bang! Down to 1. That's a 3 ball. 80-81 ang score. And here you go. Team Calabarzon for setting the play. Number 6, pass to the middle. Pinapaikot yung bola. Pass in, corner 3. Bang! 3 ball! Nagmamadali ang Team Calabarzon. Binit-bit, may foul. Basket and 1. 82-84 ang score mga idol. Pasok yan. No bucket entering. Sayang yung 1 point. And here's Team Region 4A Calabarzon. Sa gitna. Corner. Mid corner. Corner fix. Stop. Pull up J. Long 2. No good. Rebound. For the tie. Please. Tie game. 84 all. 56 seconds left. May foul. First shot is bucket mga idol. Second shot, short. May pito. 1 point lead para sa Team Calabarzon. Lays off the glass. No good. Rebound. Taltag. Natapikan. And it's number 13. 15 seconds to shoot. 28 seconds left on the game clock. Pass to the middle. Cross pass inside. Fake. Spins. Fade away shot. No good. Rebound. Locsin. 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 Side step. Ang ganda pasa. Oh, wala. Oh, sayang. Hey. First throw. Pasok. Last on the free throw. No good. Locsin the rebound. Locsin nagmamadali. Oh! Oh, good! End of the pass. Congratulations Region 4A Calabarzon.